Imagine, if you will, I have two boards here and I want to join them together with pocket screws. And now I'll put in my pocket screws. So even with my clamps on here, since I'm driving the screws this way at an angle, it pulled this board past here and now it's not flush at the end anymore. Let's fix this. Now you can correct that with some fancy corner clamps or something like that, but if you have a really wide panel that you're gluing up, you can't put a corner clamp in the center. You could rig up some kind of block of wood on the back to back it up, but you still have the issue of how you're going to clamp it in the middle of a board unless you have it raised up or the whole thing sitting up on blocks. I think I have a better idea. Let's see if it works. So now I'm going to take these two boards that I just routed a dovetail groove into and screw them together, but of course I can't use pocket hole screws because I don't have this jig built yet. All it really matters is you have a good 90-degree angle here between the two. Close enough for government work. To make it easier to get the glue off of this, I'm just going to put some packing tape on it and make sure the packing tape doesn't interfere with these slots. I don't know if it's going to work or not, but it sure is shiny. Now, hopefully what I'll be able to do is use these micro jig match fit clamps that slide in the dovetail grooves, or these micro jig Dumaflachis, I don't know. I made little clamps, slide them in here, and hopefully this will hold the boards in place, and then the angle between the two boards will keep the middle from blowing out. Let's try it out. So since the pocket screws are going to want to pull the panel down, I'm just going to use these as blocks to keep it lined up side to side. That's lined up really nice. I'm going to call this jig good to go. Thanks for watching.